3, 2, 1.
NASA's latest Mars probe,
Ignition and liftoff.
on its way to discover what the planet was like billions of years ago, and to find out how it ended up the dry, barren planet we see today. This is what it was probably like 4 billion years ago. A beautiful, habitable world with flowing water and a thick, cloudy atmosphere, similar to Earth.
Today we see a cold, dry planet that is not able to support water. What we want to do is to understand what are the reasons for that change in the climate.
4 billion years ago, Mars had a magnetic field, as the Earth does, that shielded its atmosphere from the sun. But the field collapsed, possibly due to an asteroid impact. This allowed high-speed particles from the sun, called the solar wind, to damage and slowly rip away Mars's blue atmosphere, eroding it, and leaving the red, desolate world we know today. NASA's MAVEN spacecraft will spend a year in orbit around Mars, taking detailed measurements of the atmosphere that is still escaping from the planet.
The solar wind has been tugging away at the atmosphere, causing it to escape into space. And so what this mission is going to do is to measure the current rate at which that escape is happening, and then to extrapolate back to see what the atmospheric pressure might have been like 4 billion years ago, to see whether the atmosphere was habitable.
By discovering how Mars lost its water and atmosphere, scientists hope to learn more about how planets evolve and whether the same thing could one day happen to Earth. Pallab Ghosh, BBC News.